I am meeting you after a long time, maybe around a month. During this time, I was having some health problem and I was in hospital, and there were certain events which I think that I should not be discussing because there was a problem, and definitely when a person is in a hospital, there are problems. But the major problem was when I came out of that problem, I was not in my full capacity to speak well. I was losing words, I was not able to have that command over my words, and the words were slipping away, and you can say that it was as if that I am having some type of speaking problem. It can be stammering, stuttering, or other type of problem that I am not able to pronounce well. And that was a problem because my work is speaking, my work is creating ideas and looking for solutions and then sharing with you all. But the problem was that I was not able to have that command over the words. And for the last 10 days, I am working very hard on my speech. And now you can see that I am almost as good as I was before. But I am improving every day, and I am very sure that in coming days, I will be even better. What I did what I always tell you, that we have to practice a lot. I started reading a lot of poems because my mother tongue is Hindi. So I was reading poems in Hindi. I was also reading poems in English language. I found 500 English poems and also a large number of Hindi poems also. And I kept practicing. I practiced a lot. And now you can see that after practicing that my pronunciation and my command over words is improving. I also got this book and I read it aloud. Now this is a very good book, but it was written long back. Tom Peters is a very good author, and I even now follow him. But at that point of time, he had researched on some of the companies, and at that point of time, he has identified some of the principles, that what are the real principles which can make a company really grow or really great. So I read this whole book aloud. As I keep telling you that you have to take a newspaper and keep reading it. So it can be in English, it can be in Hindi, or it can be in your native language. It can be anything. Only thing is that you have to practice speaking and you have to speak well. So I keep doing it. Still now I am doing it. But if you compare my previous videos and this video, you can understand that it's not that bad. Now I am now able to capture my words. I am able to have that command over my speech, and I am improving. So if that can work at that point of time, it can work for you. So if you are having any stammering, stuttering, or any other problem in which you are not able to have that command over your words or any character, so you can start practicing like this. And I also practice with tongue twisters. I have written with Miss Neelam Pathak. I have written a book which is called as Tongue Twisters Big Book. So I also got a lot of tongue twisters from that, and I practice a lot. And today I can see that I am improving a lot. So if I can do it, you can also do it too. Yeah, for me it was only in the conscious mind. It was not has gone into deep into the subconscious mind. So that's a problem. So it will take some more time for you to come out of that problem. It can take few months or even few years. For me it took maybe around 10 days. So but it is a workable technique. You don't have to go to a doctor, you don't have to take medicine, you don't have to get operated for anything. Don't go for all of these things. This is not required. The only thing is that you have to practice a lot, keep practicing, and you will have the command over your language. That is really workable, and it has worked for me. It will be working for you, and it has worked for a large number of people I have seen who have improved themselves and have become a very good speakers. So keep practicing, and I am very sure that you will have that command over your words, and you will get your speech back, and you will have that right to express yourself and to speak your ideas and to share your ideas with other people, which you are not able to do it right now with that full command and full confidence. So keep practicing, and I am very sure that you will have that confidence again.